घर, हर एक इंसान का सपना कि एक दिन खुद का घर ज़रूर बनाऊंगा। दोस्तों, अगर मेहनत सही रंग लाई और ऊपर वाले का साथ है तो कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं। वो कहते हैं ना, जीत तभी होती है जब सपने डर से बड़े हों। सो गाइस, प्रॉपर्टी की थोड़ी सी झलक देख के आपको अंदाज़ा लग ही गया होगा कि प्रॉपर्टी बहुत अच्छी है। एनीवे, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल। और जो चैनल पर नए हैं वो सबसे पहले जाके सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन वाली घंटी को प्रेस कर दें। और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं दुबई प्रोडक्शन सिटी में। ये मिड टाउन प्रोजेक्ट जो है ये वहीं पे है, तो इसे थोड़ा डिटेल में देखेंगे। और एक्सपो आ रहा है गाइस, तो प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट करने का बेस्ट टाइम है। और वो आपकी मर्ज़ी, आप लोग इन्वेस्ट करो या नहीं करो, बट सब्सक्राइब डेफिनेटली करो, क्योंकि मैं और बहुत सारे प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में डिटेल्स लाने वाला हूँ। सब्सक्राइब करना फ्री है, नोटिफिकेशन वाली घंटी भी प्रेस कर दो। तो अभी हम निकलते हैं यहाँ से, और लगभग 20 किलोमीटर की ड्राइव है, तो चलो। तो दोस्तों, प्रॉपर्टी पे पहुंचने से पहले मैंने सोचा आपको थोड़ी बहुत जानकारी बता दे। ये मुझे एक फ्रेंड के थ्रू पता चली जिसने वहाँ पे स्टूडियो फ्लैट बुक किया है, एंड उसे वो फ्लैट पड़ गया। स्टूडियो फ्लैट इज़ लाइक सिंगल रूम एंड किचन, दैट इज़ 1 रूम किचन, दैट कॉस्ट हिम अराउंड 6 lakhs। और आप पकड़ लीजिए इंडियन अराउंड 1 करोड़ 20 lakhs हो जाता है, एंड 5% डाउन पेमेंट, एंड प्रॉपर्टी उसको मिल चुकी है और बाकी EMI में अभी जा रहा है। तो ये पूरी डिटेल्स अभी वहाँ पे हमें एकदम विस्तार में मिलेगी, तो चलो देखते हैं। एंड फाइनली वी हैव रीच दुबई प्रोडक्शन सिटी। और मैं आपको बता दूँ, सारे ही न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको यहाँ देखने मिलेंगे अच्छे पेमेंट प्लान के साथ, 7 years to 10 years पेमेंट प्लान के साथ। एंड एक्सपो यहाँ से 20 minutes ड्राइव है, और यहाँ पे मेट्रो स्टेशन भी स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं। Abhilasha will be going to see. Hi Abhilasha, how are you? Okay, so we enter.
Where your guests can come and sit and have a discussion, or probably you can meet somebody here. So
That's
this
good.
you have in every building.
Okay, so
Beautiful lobby.
let's go ahead. अभिलाषा, 1 मिनट। मैं क्या सोचता हूँ कि पहले हम बाहर चल के बाहर की एमेनिटीज़ चेकआउट करते हैं, और उसके बाद ऊपर जाके सैंपल फ्लैट देखते हैं।
This is a tennis court, and there is also an open area here where kids can play their badmintons or anything they want to play. And behind this you'll see a swimming pool as well. No, we can't.
Swimming pool is there. Okay.
This is open theater. You can also see wall climbing here. You know, kids can do wall climbing, and this is open theater where every Saturday they play animation movies.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So if you come in the evening here, you'll actually see filled with kids and families playing around in the evening. It's beautiful out here in the evening.
It's nice here. So this is one community.
You see the orange one? The
Yeah.
whole orange thing is the first phase called Afnan.
Okay.
And this is the grey side, which is Dania, the second phase.
This is the second phase.
Yes.
Okay. Right now we are in second
phase, yes.
Okay. See this one. So Abhilasha, you must be regular, no?
Why not? As you can say. We also have closed gym, of course. So if you come here, you will see a children play area, and it's like more adventurous, because nowadays children want to be adventurous.
Yeah.
And that's the reason they have made this kind of adventure park for them. You can just show around.
See guys.
Every every phase has its own swimming pool. So we are going towards Afnan's swimming pool. Please follow. For Afnan district, and you also have a separate kids swimming pool right next to it.
Okay, that's good. And this is the sitting area, guys. You can chill out here evening mein.
Absolutely. You can also see an open deck that side. You can come in the morning, you can do yoga, you know, you can just stand here and take the fresh air.
I hope jab tak aap log book karo, it should be available because it's almost
it's selling out like hotcakes right now.
Yeah. तो दोस्तों अभी आपको सैम्पल फ्लैट दिखाते हैं और वीडियो थोड़ा सा बड़ा होने वाला है, तो अभी से कह रहा हूँ कि आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक भी कर दीजिए।
Mock apartment of 1 BHK for Noor. Let's get inside. So when you get inside, this is an open kitchen. This is just a mock apartment. We have closed kitchens as well. So here you see the fitting. It's a premium finish. This is exactly how you will get it. The same.
Okay, nice.
So if you see here, generally, you know, you have your washing machines in the kitchen area, but here we have put it a separate, you know, utility area where you can use your used clothes, your dried clothes, and you can keep it here, and there's a utility area here.
Okay.
Alright, and this is the living room. Please have a look.
So we'll be getting the flat unfurnished, right?
Unfurnished with the fittings,
okay,
including your cupboards and your modular kitchen.
Okay, that's included.
Yes.
Okay.
That is included. Cabinets there.
It's a 1 BHK proper, no?
It's a 1 BHK. It's a smaller 1 BHK. Noor will be bigger and better.
Okay.
Yes. So here you have the guest washroom. It's a powder room basically.
Okay. Not bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom.
It's with the balcony or
I'll show you the balcony.
Depends.
The balcony is attached with the living room. Here is the cupboard and the washroom.
Okay, this is the cupboard and this is the washroom.
Yes.
Okay.
Here is the balcony. So you have the view of all the amenities. This is the central garden view. You've got your pool, you've got your tennis court, you have your basketball court, there is a children's play area. So it's a beautiful view out here.
Okay. So basically, Abhilasha, what you're saying is this all projects are full.
Absolutely. Okay. So ready to move in, we do not have anything available.
Okay.
We have something available in off plan which will be handed over in Jan 2023.
Okay.
And I'll give you the payment plan of this. It's beautiful payment plan, 10 years payment plan. Like most developers, you know, they ask for a 20-30% down payment. What you have to do here is 5% down payment, and there is a long 10 years plan which I'll explain you later.
Okay.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, that will be ready on 2023. Jan. Okay. So guys, it's that one. Okay.
If you are looking to get a residency through a property,
yeah,
according to the rule, you will have to invest in a property which is 1 million or more.
Okay.
And there's also a rule as of now, again, you know, that was what I've seen in the DLG website, but it keeps changing.
Okay.
What you need to do is pay 50% at least, and only then you can apply for a residency visa.
Okay.
You know, so that's how it is. But if you're investing in total amount, of course, you know, you can go and apply for a residency. But as of now, it's 50% that
okay,
you of 1 million that you have to pay.
Okay. So, okay, if he's a resident, then.
See, I'll tell you one thing. To invest in Dubai, you don't have to hold a Dubai, you know, passport. You can be from anywhere. The people who have bought properties sitting at their home in India, in Pakistan, in London,
many people they have invested.
Dubai has opened their, you know, house for everybody, and this is a freehold property. It's 100% yours. There's no lease. There's nothing. It's a freehold property.
Okay.
No taxes. So anybody can invest here. But if you're looking for residency, of course, it's a 1 million and plus that you will have to buy.
And like we have sponsor in our business, do we have someone like sponsor something, or it will be freehold? Like
it's freehold. This
so
property
paper will be on.
Oh, absolutely. You pay, say for example, you pay the down payment, you pay the DLD charge, which is the Dubai Land Department charge.
Okay.
That is the registration fee basically. So if you pay that, the file will be open in your name. That's the registration fee. You pay it, the property is in your name.
Okay guys, so basically मैं यहाँ पे आया था for the Midtown, okay, but Midtown she's saying it's full, almost full. Now they have one more project of Midtown, which is, you said, Noor. Noor.
Yeah.
And for that, can you explain what will be the procedure?
So Noor is a off plan that you saw in the video that is being made right now. The handover is in January 2023. Okay. We have few units of 1 BHK and couple of units of 2 BHK left.
Okay, no studio flat?
No studio. It's all complete. Everything is sold out.
Guys, there is no studio. Studio is like smaller than 1 BHK.
Yes.
So only 1 BHK and 2 BHK available hai. Okay, let me know about it.
Okay, so the payment plan is a very, very beautiful payment plan by DR developers because they are semi-government developer.
Okay.
That's the reason they are able to give you such a long plan of 10 years.
Okay.
You know, where most of the developer ask for 20-30%, yahan pe you just have to pay 5% down payment. Sirf 5% down payment karna and that's about it.
5%. Okay.
Exactly. And then for next 16 months you'll be paying around 0.5%. In between there is 2 months where you'll be paying 7.5%. So basically what they have done, instead of you paying 30% at one go, they have divided it into 1.5 years time. Okay, and then on handover you have to pay certain percentage, and then again 1% every month for 12 months, and the developer gives you 7 years plan. So it's a huge, long, beautiful plan to ease your expenses, or
that's
that's the best part about it.
Like for 1 BHK, I'm just curious to know like how much it will cost me.
We had our flat starting from close to 730,000.
Okay, that is 7,20,000.
Yes.
Almost.
Yes.
50 Indian is
1.5 crore almost. Yeah.
1.5 crore. Okay, so 5% we have to do.
5% down payment, yes.
Okay, and when we'll be getting the papers and all?
So the moment you do 5% down payment and you pay the DLD charges, obviously there will be an SPA signed, which is a sales purchase agreement will be signed.
Okay.
And then obviously the property will be in your name. The sales purchase agreement will be sent to you, will be couriered to you in your address.
Okay.
And the property is yours. Then you keep paying the monthly installments.
Monthly installment.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, this is it. And apart from this, you want to explain anything?
Yes. So this is a beautiful property to invest. Reason being, it's going to be very, very close to Jumeirah Gulf Estate Metro Station, which will be operating in like 15 days now.
It's starting now.
It's gonna get started because Expo is starting.
Expo is starting, yeah.
It's very close to Expo. It's hardly 15 minutes drive from Expo, and that's the reason the property value will be appreciating really, really fast. And the appreciation has already started. So this is the time to invest in Dubai market. This is the time to invest the kind of property that we have right now. Pool for every phase. You have tennis court, you have basketball court, you have kids play area, you have open theater, you have everything here. And let me also add to this that there will be a stretch of retail boulevard down. When you see, there will be shops, there will be all day supermarket, there will be pharmacy, there will be cafes, salon. Absolutely, it's coming up right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, this is one plan. Okay, 5 to 10%. I don't think so. इतना ज़्यादा कुछ amount होगा. It would be like around 20-25 lakhs.
For 1 BHK, अगर आप 5% pay करते हैं, somewhere close to 35,000, which is 6 lakh रुपए for 1 BHK.
So आप safer side 10 lakh पकड़ के चलो, interior and all करा के. But it's not bad. उसके बाद you are getting the property, फिर rent पे चढ़ाओ. That is your lookout how you are paying the EMI and all. वो rent से adjust हो सकता है because this is ready property. This is a ready project. Okay. And apart from this, she also have 2-3 more projects which we are going to discuss about. You said about Regalia.
Yes. This is a very, very premium project that DR has launched. Basically, जब हम बैठे हैं वो actually event चल रहा है जब हम ये बातें कर रहे हैं.
I heard many of them like asking about this project, like how is it going on, and it's pre-launched, I think.
It's a pre-launch. Today is the
yeah.
pre-launch of Regalia that we are doing. Regalia is a very, very premium project by DR at a very premium location like Business Bay.
तो पहले आप इस प्रोजेक्ट की एक छोटी सी झलक देख लीजिए।
इन्वेस्टर्स ढूंढ रहे हैं जो खरीदना चाहते हैं प्रॉपर्टीज अब इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, बिजनेस बे इज द बेस्ट प्लेस टू इन्वेस्ट। मोर देन 1000 कंपनीज है वहां पे। इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू बुर्ज खलीफा, वेरी क्लोज टू, राइट नेक्स्ट टू डाउनटाउन।
बुर्ज खलीफा इज तो just next. So what payment plan they have?
I'll tell you. It's a very, very easy payment plan. Let me tell you a little bit about the property. It's a 70 floor long skyscraper, मतलब 70 G+70 floor की skyscraper building होगी। The best part about this property is the kind of luxury और premiumness जो आपको देगा वो। It's a smart home.
Okay.
मतलब आप बाहर से भी अपने AC और लाइट को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं अपने फोन पे, अपने वॉच, स्मार्ट वॉच के थ्रू। So this is the kind of luxury that DR is offering at a prime location in Business Bay. Now इस लोकेशन पे स्टूडियोज मिलना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, 1 BHK मिलना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, बट आपको ये प्रॉपर्टी में स्टूडियो और 1 BHK भी अवेलेबल है विद अ वेरी वेरी लेस प्राइस। अगर मैं स्टूडियो की बात करूँ, स्टार्टिंग समवेयर क्लोज टू 630,000 एंड 1 BHK स्टार्टिंग समवेयर क्लोज टू 950,000, बट द पेमेंट प्लान इज माइंड ब्लोइंग। मतलब what you'll be paying right now is just 10% down payment.
Okay.
And the rest will be divided in a 7 years plan. Around, say, just to give you an example, this will be like 1% every month kind of plan.
Okay.
You know, I will explain everything whenever anybody contacts me, but short में रखने के लिए मैं आपको explain कर सकती हूँ 1% every month basically.
1% every month.
We have studio, we have
studio?
1 BHK, we have 2 BHK, we have 3 BHK, we have 2 bedroom.
Okay, we also have penthouses.
Yes.
That's good. And how much is it costing?
Penthouse is a costlier one. It's 15 million.
15 million.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can invest if you have money. You can invest, and of course it's good. And anything else?
Yes, I wanted to give a little brief about this property. जो भी investors हमें देख रहे हैं या जो invest करना चाहते हैं दुबई में, this is a time to invest in this market because ये यहाँ से market grow होने वाला है post Expo. And everybody, that's the reason सब लोग यहाँ पे दुबई में invest कर रहे हैं।
Expo is like I think next
absolutely October से start होने वाला है। More than 20 lakh people will walk in. तो उसकी वजह से इसका प्राइस काफी ऊपर जाने वाला। और बिजनेस बे जैसे जगह पे आपको अप्रिसिएशन प्रॉपर्टी का इतना ज्यादा होगा, आपको रेंटल इतना बहुत ही शानदार रेंटल है बिजनेस बे का। सो दिस इज डेफिनेटली वन थिंग। प्लस यू हैव अ लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टी जो आपका स्मार्ट होम होने वाला है। ये सेमी फर्निश्ड होगा जहाँ पे आपको यू नो यूल हैव अप्लायंसेस, fitted appliances like fridge, washing machine and cooktop. So ये आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे। प्लस इट्स अ स्काई स्क्रेपर जो जनरली आप नहीं फाइंड करते हो।
The view, you can just think about the view guys, जो ऊपर से व्यू दिखेगा it will be
माइंड ब्लोइंग। क्रीक और लगून का व्यू है हमारा। इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल व्यू एंड यू नो द फैसिलिटीज दैट दे प्रोवाइड इज सो अमेजिंग। यू हैव गॉट cabanas, you have got cigarette lounge, you have got juice bar, आपका योगा पवेलियन, you have business lounge. ये जो ह्यूज एमिनिटीज, मैंने सिर्फ कुछ ही एमिनिटीज गिनाई है बट इससे कहीं ज्यादा एमिनिटीज। यू हैव ओपन थिएटर्स, देयर सो मेनी फैसिलिटीज दैट दे आर गिविंग यू।
सो गाइज आई थिंक लोनावाला साइड में तो इन्वेस्ट बहुत किया बट दुबई में इन्वेस्ट करो अभी।
It's time to invest in Dubai.
Time to invest and Expo is coming. Almost 200 plus countries would be coming here and it will be massive event and for you guys future में यहाँ घर होना is the best thing. So this is all.
And there's something that I would like to add here. Even if you're sitting in India, you can invest here. You don't have to think about, you know, renting your property or anything. If you want, we can help you with that as well. We'll help you with a lot of other things and guide you. We're not just, you know, helping you buy a property. We will manage your portfolios as well.
Yes.
So and that's the best part about
Dubai it. is like India से 3 years, hardly 3 years.
Hardly.
तो आप लोग कभी भी आ सकते हो। तो इट्स बेटर। लोग कह रहे यूएस में, कनाडा में इन्वेस्ट करो बट आई से दुबई में इन्वेस्ट करो बिकॉज ये नज़दीक है और आप लोग के लिए बेटर है। यहाँ पे ऐसे भी मैंने बहुत लोग देखे इंडिया से, पाकिस्तान से, जो इन्वेस्ट करके बैठे हैं और उनको हर महीने घर पे रेंट पहुँच रहा है।
करेक्ट।
सो उनके यहाँ पे 4-4 5-5 घर है एंड देयर आर पीपल हु आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देयर हाउसेज एंड उनको टाइम टू टाइम रेंट पहुँच रहा है। सो इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से देखोगे तो बेस्ट है, और अगर यहाँ सेटल्ड होने के हिसाब से भी सोच रहे हो तो भी बेस्ट आइडिया है। ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस I'll put in description her email ID, number, everything, but try to contact only related to estate things and all if you are planning to invest and all. Okay guys, so that is the thing. And anything
I would just like to say, if you want to, it's like making पैसों से पैसे बनाना है तो दुबई में इन्वेस्ट करना है। This is the best time to invest, this is the best place to invest. ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी, ऐसा पेमेंट प्लान कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा आपको दुबई में। दिस इज काइंड ऑफ मैजिक। आई थिंक कुछ ही दिनों के लिए है ये जो दियार ने ऑफर किया है, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज और बिकती जाएगी वैसे वैसे वो प्राइस प्लान भी चेंज करेंगे और प्रोबब्ली प्राइसेस भी बढ़ाएंगे। तो दिस इज अ टाइम, इन्वेस्ट इट।
आफ्टर 2024 तो आप लोग सोच लो, रेट तो फिर ऊपर जाएगा ही, और बहुत ऊपर जाएगा वो टाइम तक तो, क्योंकि एक्सपो सब तब तक अच्छी स्पीड पकड़ लेगा और ये कोविड का सिचुएशन भी आई थिंक सब नॉर्मल हो जाएगा। सो वेल, इन्वेस्ट एंड कॉन्टैक्ट अस, और एनीथिंग एल्स।
I'll just wish all the best to everybody. I hope आप खरीदें और आप भी पैसे से पैसा बनाएं।
Yes, so please subscribe and hit notification bell और हमें फॉलो करो। हम ऐसे ही नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ आते रहेंगे। आई गेस आई एम प्लानिंग टू शूट फॉर विला ऑल्सो, वी हैव सम प्लान फॉर दैट ऑल्सो, और जल्दी मिलेंगे किसी दूसरे ब्लॉग में। आपका अपना SJ, बाय बाय।